So I just wanted to go over a recap of the trade, why I selected the trade above all the rest. We had numerous opportunities for swing options. We had 8 swing opportunities. I chose ANET. So I'm going to recap why I chose it. So ANET is a software technology company. They specialize in network, computer, storage, signal storing and passing. So they're a huge component in the AI infrastructure, software-wise, not hardware, computer chips, all of that. No, so they're the software. So that's number one reason I chose them. I thought it would be very strategical, being that the hardware, semiconductor chips companies has boomed over the last month. Money was pouring in them. So I kind of lean towards, software technology companies definitely got to get some money poured into them soon. So, and they are a highly profitable and financially sound company. Their fundamentals are super solid, super solid. And the technical, the structure, chart structure. So I like the chart structure. It is in a uptrend, starting back from here, 2022, coming all the way to the highest point, April 2026, making the high of 177. So we are in just a pullback. And I noticed this pullback and I saw this white support line right here, January 2025's high of 132 price level, to be pivotal. It's above all of our indicators, 180-day, 200-day EMA on the daily time frame. So that 132 price level, support level, was pivotal for a potential bounce, okay, because we are in an uptrend. So I was looking at the structure. I like the structure. I like the company fundamentals. I like the sector that it's in. It just screams ready for upward momentum. So that was the strategy. So now how I'm going to tactically attack this trade. So that's when I use my support levels. That's when I use my indicators, the EMAs, the MACD. What is the MACD showing? The RSI. That's when I use all my indicators and tools. The Fibonacci retracement. That's how I tactically go and execute my trade. And I watch to see what those candles do at the support level that I am interested in it bouncing off of. And that was this 138 price level right here. So what we called out on our watch list, 138.69, a bounce and hold above that. Then we have high potential to go up. All right. This is the daily. So that daily time frame, our indicator tool, MACD, shows us that we have some running out of selling momentum and we potentially could be going into buying momentum. That shows that RSI is hovering around the mid area of potential upward momentum. So all of our tools, indicators contributes to our strategy, why we are entering a potential call for a bounce. I also want to shine light on the rules. Our rules go with our strategy. We're looking for a bounce. So we said that support level was an important level that it has high potential to bounce off of and go up. That means we're looking to buy a call contract. The rules state if you're looking to buy a call contract, you need to be entering that contract at a support level. The rule also state if you're looking to enter a put contract, you need to be entering that put at a resistance level. So those are the rules, okay? So the strategy we're going with, it's in the uptrend. This is just the pullback and we're looking for a bounce for it to continue up. So now we go to the hour time frame. It came to our bounce level, bounce support level here. It came to it a few times. I entered this trade Monday, yesterday, midday, came to that level, bounced off of it, went up. By end of the day, came back down, tested it. Post market, after market closed, 4 o'clock, it came and dropped back down. Post market and pre-market, today's market, it came as low as 137. Okay, I gave it this area has to hold above for it to still be in a potential uptrend. It has to hold this. This low has to remain the low. This next low that it made has to remain the higher low for it to be considered still in the uptrend. So that's a high importance. We need our strategy. Why are we getting in this trade? We also need, where does this trade go against me? And where it goes against me is my stop loss. That's when I'm getting out, I'm taking my loss, and I'm out of there. And then your tactics, the tools. What is it doing at my tools? What is it doing at my support level if I'm looking for it to bounce? What is it doing around my exponential moving averages? What is the candle showing? So all of those tools need to coincide with your strategy as well if you are in fact good in that trade. So those things showed me that I'm good in this trade. That's why I didn't get out. This pullback down right here of this uptrend, it's just a pullback. This is the 78% level, and this low needs to remain the low. The most important piece right here is it took 2 days for this to even come. Right now it's at 141. Okay, we have a 145 call. It took Monday and Tuesday. They've been playing at our entry level. So I don't like that. We want to be out of it Thursday, the day latest. Okay, I don't want to hold the swing trade. We have this for 1 week. Needed to do it to the price that I am selected it to go to or beyond by tomorrow. Latest midday Thursday out of this trade. I think this trade gave us a little hesitance because it's an important week. Investors are waiting on Nvidia report earnings Wednesday, May 20th. The market. So that's when the market will start to make strong moves. Okay. So that's what hindered on this trade. I wanted to go over hey, I got in the trade, made me stay in the trade, and what needs to remain for me to continue to stay in the trade. And it's this low here of 138, remain in the low. It makes a new low. I'm going to get out a loss. Okay? I'm not out of the woods yet. I need this egg right here to start the uptrend and hold, making a new high, higher than this high. That's the target area. The target area, this level here is 148. So that's the target area. And right now we are looking a little safe. All right? As long as this low remains the low. Right?